G'day folks, welcome back. Today we're going to do another silly painting with the spin pot. I'm just going to load it up with some gold paint in all 4 pots on a black background, but we're going to try and keep it to a really simple, minimalist one swing across, and basically a swing back and forth across the canvas while it's spinning, and then I'm going to grab it and hopefully stop myself from letting it swing too many times, because I just want to see what it looks like with a cool helix going across. So this is just a total experiment. It might work, it might turn into a dog's breakfast. So first thing I'll do is we'll get this thing and we'll put some tension on it. So we want to spin it. That's about enough tension, so we'll do a quick test here. And what I want to do is try to get it spinning as early as possible. So back it and then catch it, and that's going to be it. That's what I want to try and do. So that was enough energy in it, so we'll put that back on it to there. Alright, so now we're just going to load this thing up with some gold paint. See how we go. Let's see here. Got some tape on the bottom there. Hopefully this will stop the thing from leaking. And go. One. Two. Well, luckily, I did a second cup of gold paint, and get this in there now. Boop. Alright, so that's roughly even amounts of paint. So, let's see if I can get this right without stuffing up. So I want to rip this tape off and let it swing across, back, we're going to catch it, and I'm going to get this bucket. We'll keep that on standby and I'll be able to save some of the paint hopefully. So we're up. Here goes nothing. 1, 2, and whoops. I'm going to let it go twice. That'll do. Sweet. You cheeky bugger, off you get. So I'll just let this drain over here. There we go. Let's have a look at what we just did. I like it. Alright, so this was a really nice, simple, quick one. So I'll get down to this. I kind of like what happened. Got it fairly centralised. That's a cool little sort of thing. I like it. Yeah, nice and simple. Lots of negative space. Yeah, I really enjoy using. Oh, and there goes the camera stand. Whoop. So yeah, I think that came out really good. Love that weird pattern. That's cool. Anyway, folks, short and sweet this one. I'll see you all next time.